Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by making sure the Ultra 9 and phone are ready. Charge the watch, power it on, and install the official app. Once done, open the app and sign in or create an account so pairing data saves to your profile. Make sure Bluetooth and location services on your phone are enabled. The app uses location to scan for devices on modern OS versions. These steps let the app discover the watch and prepare both devices to exchange pairing information securely. Next, tap Add Device in the app and select Ultra 9 from the discovered list. Once you select it, the watch will display a 6-digit code. You must confirm that same code on your phone to verify it's the correct device and to prevent accidental pairing. After confirmation, grant the requested permissions for notifications, contacts, and activity data so the watch can mirror calls and messages and sync health metrics. Make sure to allow background app refresh so syncing. Finally, complete the on-screen setup. Pick a watch face, choose which apps to mirror, and allow the initial sync of health and activity data. Once the sync finishes, test notifications and an incoming call to confirm permissions work end-to-end. If the watch doesn't receive data, make sure the app runs in the background and that battery optimization is off for the app. If problems persist, restart both devices, disable and re-enable Bluetooth, then repeat pairing. A soft reset of the watch often clears stubborn issues.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.